Hey guys, I don't know if I should look here, there, I don't know, but hey guys, welcome back to another video. So yes, you guys, so a lot has changed over the last couple of days. Well, it's been a week now, over a week now. So yeah, you guys, I'm back to traveling again. So yeah, guys, I mean, that's another video for another that's another video for another day. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. It's been a while since I recorded. Actually, I feel like it's been like almost 2 weeks since I recorded, and I feel kind of like out of my element. But anyways, today we're back with another video. I took a poll on what you guys want to see on my channel for this week, and you guys had voted. You guys want me to do log hairstyle videos, wash days. I'm actually doing a wash day video either tomorrow or sometime this week. And what else? Life update and why I quit nursing. Well, not nursing, but why I quit bedside nursing. So stay tuned for all of those videos. This video is probably, I think, is gonna go up first. So yeah, guys, so today's video, I'm going to be styling my hair. You guys, I don't have a mirror. Okay, I'm in the hotel and there's no mirror in this. I mean, there is a mirror, like there's like a mirror in the bathroom, a big mirror in the bathroom, and a big mirror right there, but it's not you know, I want like the standing ones or whatever, you know. And I asked them for one and they said they don't have one, and I was like, okay, all right, so we're just gonna have to, you know, y'all just gonna have to work with me, okay? So yeah, you guys, I just have my head in this little bun right here. I did this for the gym. I worked out this morning, and I left my hair just like this, and I did my edges before I did my makeup, and I actually really like this little, it's like, it's messy, but it's cute. Okay, but anyways, so we're gonna get started. I'm actually, for this video, I didn't really know, oh, I'm getting out of focus, y'all. I didn't really know which style I should do, but I think I know what I want to do. I'm probably gonna do one or two styles because I don't want this video to be too long. And I have a lot of other styling videos on my channel anyways. If you guys are interested, you guys can go and watch those. But I'm probably going to make, you know, shorter videos of me styling my locks. Okay, so that my videos, because if I do a style, if I show you guys how to do a style, the video is probably gonna be really long. So I'm probably gonna do two styles. They're very similar, but at the same time they're different. So I think I might just do one. I'm not sure, guys. Let's see how this goes. Okay, all right, so now what we need, well, so what we're gonna use for this style is some rose water. I still have this. I actually added some to it, actually. Some rose water, because my hair is not really that dry because I've been moisturizing them every day, so it's not that dry, but it does feel like it needed something though, you know. All right, so you guys, I'm just gonna be staring. I'm gonna use this, y'all, as my camera, so please forgive me. I'm hoping this style turns out good since I don't have a camera, I mean a mirror. So anyways, so this style, I actually did this style, I did this style, but I didn't show you guys, and you guys really liked it, so I'm just like, let me just recreate it, so that, you know, if you're interested, you know, if you guys actually want to recreate it yourself, you can just watch this video and do it. So it's gonna be a two cornrows going to the back. Okay, so we're gonna do this one first. So I'm gonna put this one away. Yeah, I snapped on my makeup though. Like, it's funny how, like, you know, when I'm not really trying, you know, that's when your makeup be looking the best. Like, I was not trying. I did it really fast. It was very simple, but it turned out pretty good. Like, but watch if I was on here trying to show you guys, or if I was going somewhere serious, it would probably turn out trash. But anyways, so all right, my hair is moisturized and all that good stuff. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start braiding, guys. Anyway, so we're gonna start braiding. It's pretty simple, you guys. I mean, if you don't know how to cornrow, I mean, I don't know if I can even teach you, because you know, it's just plain and simple cornrows. Okay, going to the back. It's gonna get thicker, so just, you know, do your best. Okay, gonna braid it all the way to the back. I remember when I did this style, everyone loved it. I was like, oh, I didn't know people would actually like it. So I didn't even do like I did like a little mini tutorial on Instagram, but it wasn't like very thorough or anything. Okay guys, so when you get closer to the back part, that's when it gets very, very tough for you to actually, you know, finish the cornrow. So when you get to this part, just try your best to just really grab as much hair as possible. You will have some flyaways and all that stuff, and that is totally okay, especially because my hair is all different length. And yeah, so, and they're not really that long yet either. I mean, they're long, but they're not long, like, you know. So once I get there, you guys, I just literally just do whatever I can. Since we got here, because really what's most important is this part right here, you guys. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm going to just tie it right here. If you can do one, that's fine. If you can do two. Alright, so that's how this one looks. You see, it's not perfect, but y'all see what I'm talking about, right? And actually, guys, this is actually really cute. Like, this is kind of cute. Like, I'm kind of digging this look, honestly. Let me do this side, because I was gonna braid it and then put the rubber band, but this actually looks really nice, you guys. So let me finish this side, and let's see how it looks, you guys. Now we're going to braid this part. Let me put this on the back. So we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna fast forward this part because it's gonna be the same thing that I'm doing. Just braiding, going to the back. Got a scrunchie right here, and then you basically just tie that baby up. I don't want this to break. Please don't break. Ah! And this one shouldn't break. So. So I'm done with this one. So yeah, you guys, like, I'm actually really digging this look. Like, I was gonna like braid it or something and then put the rubber band, because last time when I braided it, the hairs were like sticking out. It was just crazy. So, but yeah, you guys, I actually like this way too. Like, I don't know, it looks really cute. All right, you guys, so this is the style. I hope you guys like it. Like, I already tied down my hair already, so you know, I don't have to. I mean, if I want to, I can always tie it down some more and stuff like that, but since it's already, you know, tied down and stuff, I feel like it's not really, you know, necessary. Also, I wanted to say, like, of course, if you don't like it like this, you can always like tie it up if you're going somewhere more fancier or something. You can like tie it up, make a little bun in the back. Let me see if I can do a little bun for you guys. You know, do a little bun, and then it'll still be really, really, really cute. Like, let me see if I can do the bun. I don't have pins with me, you guys, but I feel like that would be really, really cute. Like, tug in all the little flyaways, and yeah, it'll be really, really, really cute. I feel like, you know, that's another way that, you know, you can style it if you don't like this way. Or of course, you can always braid this part and then put the rubber bands so that it can be straight. And yeah, you guys, I really like this. And then the other style I was gonna do is just 4 of these, like four of these. So instead of having 2, it was gonna be 4, but you guys kind of get the gist of it. So I don't think it's necessary for me to actually show you guys you know, the other style. But you guys, I like this. This is so cute. I think I like this way better than the other way I did. This looks really cute. All right, the back probably look a little crazy because y'all know my hair is kind of all over the place. I have different lengths, so it's like some of my hairs are like this long, some is like all the way to my back, which is fine. I have no problem with that. Now I don't, but here you guys, I like this. This is so cute. All right, let me know what you guys think. If you guys want me to make a video with like more shorter styles, like, you know, fast and quick styles, I can make another one of those. But I'll try to always, like, you know, keep on posting a few styles and stuff like that as I come along with them. Yeah, guys, but this is how this look. I really like it. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys like it, because I love it. It's super, super cute. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was supposed to be short, but it's a little long, but it's okay. Hope you guys like it. Yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you guys turn on that notification bell, because I'm gonna drop videos like crazy. Okay, this week I'm posting, I think 3 or 4 times, depending on how much videos I get to record. Yeah, guys, thank you guys so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.